Good afternoon, everyone. We are the Group 5 and we are under the class of Mr. Regan Gionelis. Are you get tired of toy cars without direction? Here's the new solution. I am Christian Dan Muslimah, the leader of Group 5.
I'm Jobit Patalino.
I am Rika Blanca Raki,
And we're very gigan.
and we are proud to present our project, the toy car Blackline Tracer in a white surface. And this is our project. These are the parts. We have here the two LEDs and two LDR, or
Light.
LDR means light dependent resistor. We have the battery holder with 4 batteries to be occupied, and that twin gear motor. If you are
Okay, let's start.
here's the demonstration on how this toy will move. So when there are two LDR. So when the one LDR will be
Blinded. So, the LDR plays the important role here because when the LDR has no light, it has its maximum resistance, and when there is light, it allows free passage of electrons.
Reflect muna. Okay.
sample.
Okay.
In simpler explanation, if you will block it with your hand, have you observed that only this motor will function? Because when it is blocked, the maximum resistance will do, and this will stop. So when this is functioning, so it will stop, and
Gamay lang, sige. Gamay lang na Bisaya.
logo na lang, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Pag ito'y tinakpan, pag tinakpan mo ito, gagana ang motor dito, at habang siya ay umiikot, ito naman ay depende sa kanya. Dito ay adjustable ang wheel na ito. So kapag habang ito ay tumatakbo, nagsa-stop siya. So ito ay naapektuhan din siya dahil pag ginanito mo, tapos ito ay stop, kapag tumakbo siya, gumagana ito siya. Again.
Okay, can you talk about its application while it is moving?
This car has very important applications in our life. Example, you have many, shall we say, childs or babies, so you cannot really control them well. So you have to make them some fun. So if you can convince them, so they can use this car and they will be enjoying it. So they will not disturb your work. And there are also many applications aside from it, and it's up to you to discover.
Okay, round of applause.